Hi guys, if you're planning to visit Cagayan de Oro, we have a transient house na malapit sa SM Uptown, located at Bellevue Subdivision, CDO. Meron siyang 2 bedroom and bathroom namin is with hot and cold shower. Ayan siya. Kung gusto nyo magluto, pwede kayong magluto guys. This house is only $3,500 per night. Good for 7. Ayan siya. Kung meron kayong plan to visit CDO, just message me here para ma-reserve yung gusto nyo na date or when kayo pupunta dito sa CDO. Ayan siya. Yan yung dining area, the living area. Yung living area niya guys, merong aircon. And yung isang bedroom, ito wala siyang aircon. Electric fan lang siya. And then yung isa, yung may aircon. Ayan siya. Yan, perfect na to guys. Yun, family na nag-budget lang. Ayaw nila ng hotel. So guys, please message me. Thanks.